Good evening everyone. Myself Khushi Mirza from class 9 Sri Vamshida High School. Today I want to narrate a story to all of you about a man and his sculptures. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Suresh. He was so passionate about sculpture making. He would do it all of his time, day and night, with no food and no rest. And he would make those with wax because that was the only one material he had. One day, he suddenly got an idea. What if I make something huge? Because he always makes small and tiny sculptures. So he thought of building a big 30-meter sculpture. He gathered all the wax he had and started on his journey. He made the layer and he started to make the sculpture. It took him 3 days to complete half of the sculpture. And one day when he was working, suddenly the sculpture collapsed. He couldn't help and he was so tensed. He made it again. It collapsed again. 10 times, 20 times, but he couldn't work on it. One day with the same sad mood, he walked out his home with no belief. There was mud lying on the floor and he laid on it, looked at the sky and thought, what am I supposed to do now? I really want to do it. The huge one, I want to make it. Suddenly, he thought of something. He took some mud and went into his backyard. He mixed the water and gave it a shape. He baked it and saw that there was a strong brick made out of it. He thought, what if I make my sculpture with this brick? Maybe it will become stronger than the last one. So he took all the mud he could and made lakhs of bricks. And with the hope that maybe this time I can succeed, he started building his sculpture. Every day he would work and he would stay only on 2 cups of tea, no rest, no food, and just working. He made the sculpture 5 days, 10 days, and his sculpture was ready. Every turn, every curve, and every stroke was so beautiful, which came out directly from his heart. And that is when he decided, I'm going to use bricks for my sculptures because they are the stronger ones. The strong things sustain more than the weaker ones. Through this, we can describe that the mud is like the cells of our body, which come together to form a tissue, which can form beautiful sculptures like humans, plants, and animals. So here I conclude that tissues are the silent architects of our life. Thank you.